Okay, in this video I want to explain how we are using the scopes in our application. Currently we have a form add-on application that we can access from here, script editor. And this add-on is connected to our project. If you look at the project settings, 186, and here we have the dashboard 186, and if you look at the scopes which are here, there is 9 scope. We listed all these scopes here, non-sensitive and sensitive. So these sensitive scopes, the first one is allow application to run when you're not present. We are using this to check user spreadsheet regularly to see if people who responded to the form will pay the amount by the link we provided to them. And if they pay the amount, we will update the user spreadsheet. So for that process, we need to check regularly without user being present on the spreadsheet. The other one, connect to an external service. So the way our application is working, user come and fill a form, and then we will they will select some plan, and we will send a request to our service to create a payment link for the user, and we will send the email for that user. So we need that external request to get the payment link from our service. And contacts, we need to have this scope in order to send email contains the name of the user. So yeah, we need the full name of the user in when we are sending the email. We are saying that the person who responded to the form, we want to tell him who is requesting the payment. So we need the full name, and we will get it from the contacts scope. The other one is a script container UI, which we display a card here as an add-on on the form. We have sent email, which we sending the payment link to respondents, and we have a spreadsheet. We need to have this scope. We need to have access to a spreadsheet in order to create a spreadsheet and connect it to the form, and we will collect all the responses to that spreadsheet. And we will need the drive as well to get the name of this form, and when we creating the spreadsheet, we want to have the same name as the form. So we need drive just for that, to get the name of the form, and when we creating a spreadsheet, just rename it to be the same as the form. So yeah, I've explained these as well here, and so let's go ahead and test this add-on. We can access the add-on from here, Hitpay, payments for Google Form, and for the first time it will say set up Hitpay, and we will need to authorize the script. So if you can click continue, here we have client ID 186 PME, and as I showed you here already, we have the project setting connected to that particular platform. Here, if we look at the credentials, we have 186 PME, 1:86 p.m. We can click on our account. For now, move forward, and these are the scopes which I explained just now. We can click on allow, and here we have the script authorized, so click on setup Hitpay again. So user for the first time, they need to store their API key. So if I go ahead and click on this one, because I was stored it already, and it is storing in user properties on the document. It is stored already, but user can enter their API key and sandbox API key, and they can choose the currency and click save and done, and it will refresh and it will say it is okay, and then they can configure form and sheet. If I click on configure form and sheet, it will create the sheet for me, and if I open the sheet here, there are some testing here. Let's just remove these, and so this is the sheet with the same name which we use Drive for that, and we can get the amount from the responses, and let's just test it in test mode, enable it, and if I click on send and get the link, and open the link here, I will need my email address. For example, I choose these and click on submit. We modify these as well, and if I look at my email address, we have here our email. This is from contacts API, and this is the payment link that user need to click on it and pay that payment. And here is the latest respondent response, and this is the link we have generated and inserted to this sheet. So after user pay here, we will check to see if they paid or not, and we will update the status on user sheet. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully that helps.